Lactose deficiency symptoms and treatment. Milk and other dairy products are high in nutrients, calcium, and protein. Many of us, unfortunately, are lactose intolerant. Lactose intolerance is a condition in which a person is unable to digest lactose, a specific carbohydrate found in dairy products. There are numerous symptoms that indicate you have this condition, ranging from bloating to nausea to diarrhea. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the different symptoms of lactose intolerance. Make sure to stay tuned all the way to the end because we'll also talk about the different ways to treat this condition. Let's get started. Number 1. Cramps. Cramping is the most common symptom of lactose intolerance. This type of discomfort is usually caused by toxic particles in your stomach. In essence, there is no sole reason for this problem. From the gases in your stomach to the water in your colon to the lactose-eating good bacteria, cramps as a symptom of lactose intolerance can occur for a variety of reasons. However, we would like to point out that cramps do not always occur. It is a rare symptom of lactose intolerance. In comparison, pain in the stomach or navel area is more common. Aside from that, women going through menopause or having their periods may experience cramps. People who have kidney or liver problems may also experience the same issue. Number 2. Bloating. If you are lactose intolerant, whether you are a 5-year-old child or a 37-year-old adult, you will experience bloating. Lactose travels through the digestive tract and into your colon, where it interacts with the bacteria in your gut. The protein is fermented by the bacteria, which produces hydrogen, methane, and carbon dioxide. It also produces a series of acids that are harmful to the digestive system. In the meantime, your colon fills with water and gas. This results in a bloated feeling. Keep in mind that this symptom does not always indicate lactose intolerance. Bloating can also indicate a stomach problem. However, if lactose is the culprit, bloating is frequently followed by our next symptom. Before we reveal it, please subscribe to our channel and make sure to ring that notification bell while you're at it. This way, you'll always be up to date on our great health and wellness tips. Number 3. Stomach and abdominal pain. You have a component in your body that your colon cell lining cannot absorb. More importantly, there is carbon dioxide, hydrogen, and methane. These gases are harmful and causes stomach pressure. This is why you may experience pain in your stomach as well as your abdomen. The pain will mostly be concentrated around your navel in this case. If you leave it like this, it could lead to more serious issues. Again, we recommend that you use common sense rather than jumping to conclusions. Stomach pain, like bloating, can clearly be caused by factors other than lactose intolerance. As a result, before concluding that you have this condition, it's always best to consult your doctor. Number 4. Fatigue. Another uncommon symptom of lactose intolerance is fatigue. How does fatigue factor into the equation? Gases and acids in the gut, on the other hand, burn a lot of calories. As a result, the body expends more energy. As time passes, your body's energy reserves deplete. This exhausts you and makes you less capable of performing any activity. You're exhausted and have a strong desire to sleep. This is what exhaustion can do to you. Although this fatigue usually does not last long. It usually goes away within a few days in most cases. You can avoid these symptoms by eating dairy-free alternatives. Number 5. Nausea. Consider the following hypothetical scenario. You have a room full of old objects and you're now putting in new things. Unfortunately, the entire room is occupied, leaving you with no space to store the new items. When you decide to drink milk despite being lactose intolerant, this is what happens to your stomach. The lactose compound releases the gases mentioned in the previous 2 points. Now, hydrogen, methane, and carbon dioxide have taken up residence in space and are exerting pressure. This will make you feel nauseous because everything you may have ingested will want to come out. Number 6. Gas. Lactose-intolerant people will experience gas in their guts after consuming dairy products. Again, the 3 gases mentioned earlier are the primary causes of this condition. Your intestines and colon are stimulated by carbon dioxide. In the meantime, methane and hydrogen are to blame for your flatulence. Other factors can also contribute to this problem. Certain solid foods, for example, can also destroy your stomach and your gut. Number 7. Constipation. With all the activity inside your stomach, it's no surprise that you will experience constipation. One gas in particular must be blamed for this, and that gas is methane. What role does methane play in this problem? Methane slows the passage of food through the gut, resulting in infrequent stools and stomach discomfort. Bacterial overgrowth will also occur if it is not treated. Number 8. Headaches. There are numerous causes of headaches. When your head's arteries and veins are under a lot of stress, pain and sensory chemicals are released, causing your head to hurt. This could be the result of a cold, flu, or fever. Lactose intolerance is also one of the causes, as are hydrogen and carbon dioxide. These gases are produced when lactose enters your digestive tract. Following that, they would mess up many biochemical functions of the brain. This includes the supply of blood and oxygen, which is why it's best to avoid dairy if you're lactose intolerant. Number 9. Borborygmi. Do you ever hear your stomach rumbling and gurgling? Lactose intolerance can be caused by infections and gastrointestinal problems, but it is also a factor. Lactose intolerance occurs as a result of the movement of gases and acids in the stomach. It is frequently accompanied by a constipation or diarrhea. Some people experience this problem in addition to stomach cramps and abdominal pain. If you are experiencing this problem, you should consult a doctor as soon as possible. While the name is unusual, it is also the least dangerous of the symptoms, mostly because it's just sounds and nothing else. Number 10. Diarrhea. Do you know the problems you face with constipation? Well, you will face the opposite with diarrhea, where the stool passing process is sped up and becomes much more frequent. Lactose, by increasing the amount of water in your colon, can cause diarrhea. This accumulated water creates pressure, which forces the stool to pass. This is also the primary reason it provides liquefied stool. The fatty acids released by the presence of lactose in your colon also play an important role. The majority of these fatty acids are not absorbed by the body. In most cases, leftovers increase the amount of water in the colon. Now that you know the different symptoms of lactose intolerance, let's take a look at the things that you can do to relieve these symptoms. There is no cure for lactose intolerance, but most people can control their symptoms by making dietary changes. Treating the underlying condition may restore the body's ability to digest lactose in people with lactose intolerance, though this process can take months. A low lactose diet may also help you avoid the discomfort of lactose intolerance for other reasons. You can limit your consumption of milk and other dairy products to reduce the amount of lactose in your diet. Most lactose-intolerant people can consume some milk products without experiencing the symptoms. Low-fat milk products such as skimmed milk may be tolerated better than whole milk products. It may also be possible to gradually increase your tolerance to dairy products by incorporating them into your diet. You can also eat and drink lactose-free ice cream and milk, or include small amounts of dairy products in your regular meals. To break down the lactose, you can also add a liquid or powder lactase enzyme to the milk. Are you lactose intolerant? Which one of the symptoms have you experienced so far? Please let us know in the comments section below. Also, make sure to share this with your family and friends. Thanks for watching!